Welcome to Time-Lapse of Creation, a visual journey through time, nature, and human imagination. From a single seed, life begins, tiny, fragile, yet full of promise. Growth unfolds with every drop of rain, every ray of light. Nature awakens. One seed becomes many. Human hands shape the world. From simple shelters, imagination takes root.
Communities grow. Laughter fills the air. Life blossoms in shared creation.
Stone by stone, civilizations rise. Culture and progress etched in time. Skyscrapers soar, lights ignite the night. Humanity races toward the future.
Welcome to Time-Lapse of Creation, a visual journey through time, nature, and human imagination. Each moment tells a story, and every story begins with a single spark. Subscribe